A very common inquiry we get at IPD is about spark plugs in 240s. And one of the main points of confusion is not about how they install or what they do, it's actually about this small little end right here. From the factory, these came with Volvo brand spark plugs, but NGK are very common plugs, as are Bosch plugs. From the factory, they also came with a brand called Bougie Core for the spark plug wires. Now those wires were designed to fit over this nubbed end. However, Bosch also makes wires for them, and other manufacturers over the years have made wires for these as well that actually fit the threaded end of the spark plug. And a little known fact is that these have this little nubbed end that unscrews. So as I'm showing you here on this NGK plug, it simply unscrews, exposing the little threaded end like that. It's as simple as that. All you have to do is take that off, and the wires that you have that are designed to fit that threaded end will just click right on. If you have any questions about this, give us a call or check our website at ipdusa.com.